Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Sam Salas and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of our baby stuff that we received from Amazon. And so if you have a new baby and you want to start a baby registry, this is the box that they will send you. I'm going to ask my wife to come on in. Her name is Nicole Kaylin Salas and we're going to be doing an unboxing for you. So as you can tell, it's just a small little box, has cool little designs on it. Has a smile from A to Z. But yeah, let's see what's inside. All right, I think it says, congrats, a new adventure awaits at every stage. All right, and on the inside there it says, I think it says Broom? Broom? Oh yes, Broom. Learn how to make every moment a brain-building moment. Visit joinbroom.org/Amazon. And so, as you can tell, some matching wrapping paper in there. Here, you can go ahead and read that if you would like.
Love your welcome box. Purchase any item in 3 easy steps. Download the Amazon app, scan and add any welcome box item. Purchase your favorite and enjoy. Download it today. Amazon.com app.
Awesome. So this is what it looks like as soon as you open it. It looks like pretty good products. We have, yeah, you can open it out. Thank you. A nice little swallow. We got some bottles and some other sample stuff. Go ahead and pick one out.
I think it's called Mom bottle.
Yes, but it is spelled M-A-M, not a typical M-O-M spelling.
I think this comes with, if you like these bottles, we tried out these. They're pretty good. Anti-colic bottle, and yes, it does come with a cute little matching pacifier.
Awesome.
These are really cool bottles because they can self-sterilize, I guess is the way to say it. In the microwave, just put a little bit of water and put the pieces inside and then microwave it.
And if I could add, I think the really cool part about these is that every piece of this bottle actually comes apart, so it makes it super easy to clean. I don't know if you want to demonstrate that for them. So the lid.
There's extra measurements here, so you need to measure that because it is hard to read at the bottom of these bottles. See, that comes out. That comes off. Makes it super easy. You're not gonna miss any crevices or anything in the holes for steaming for when this lets the air in, so when the baby's drinking. So yeah, it's a lot of pieces, but I always like it because I'm sure everything's super clean.
Yeah, so we don't want our baby to get any type of sickness from not being cleaned enough. I mean, that would be pretty sad, if you ask me. But yes, like you said, we definitely love these bottles. We do have a preemie babies, and she didn't have a problem taking in the nipple on these bottles as well. And so it definitely helps with the colic. We've definitely seen a huge change from another bottle that we're using to this one, and we recommend it. So yeah, that's the first one, the Mam bottle. And I think it's, how many ounces on there?
This is looks like over 130 milliliters, and looks like over 4 ounces.
Cool. Next one.
The bottle. So this is the nut bottle, smooth flow anti-colic bottle as well. Looks like up to 150 milliliters, over 5 ounces. It's cute. Some polka dots, some instructions. I'm assuming that there's coupons in here. It's nice if you like the product.
We definitely haven't tried milk bottles yet. We will definitely give it a try. We're trying to get our baby used to different, I guess, bottles and nipples and different things like that. Just, so she doesn't have a problem drinking just one. Because we figured as we're on the go, we just need to keep some in our bag or, at grandma's house or whatever. And yeah, samples like this, they're not going to be always the same ones. So.
Oh, this one's cool. This one has a safe temp indicator. Looks like it's right here. So it tells you if it's too hot. So I'm not quite sure at what point it's too hot, but that's cool. I'm sure it's easy to figure out. And there are some coupons.
Is that a colic one as well? A
Yeah.
colic one?
Yeah, anti-colic. There's a little valve right here. Oh, it even says anti-colic air system, so it lets the air in,
Awesome.
making it easy so the baby doesn't get colic,
So-
which is pretty tough.
Awesome. So thank you, Nook, for giving us that sample. We're definitely gonna try that one out. And what else is in this wonderful box here?
Let's see. Well, we have the, like you said, the swaddle muslin wrap, cute little zebras. Let's see. We use as a privacy throw, burp cloth, or swaddle. Let's see. The instructions on how to swaddle. And breathable cloth, 46 inch by 46 inch. It's pretty good.
Pretty good. Is it like organic cotton or anything?
That's what I was looking for, actually.
It's a sun shield, swaddle, and a play mat. So 3 in 1.
100% cotton, washable. Doesn't say it's organic. I don't see that on here, but it is
That's
100% cotton. So.
Awesome.
And then like Aquaphor Fast Relief Diaper Rash Paste. We do like Aquaphor. We know that the doctors recommend Aquaphor for babies. And then Dreft Newborn. We stick by Dreft. This is the one that we go to all the time, so we'll definitely be using this.
Did it say it's like it does say newborn or infant
This one's
or
newborn.
active? So one thing that we noticed buying Dreft is that you do have to just be kind of careful because there are stages of Dreft. You have like
Actually,
your
it says
newborn.
right here.
Oh, cool.
There's
Perfect.
like little examples of newborn and an active baby. So you want to make sure you get the right stage, just because that's about the stage where they can use, I'm assuming, different type of products, detergent is used, and maybe it's easier to clean some stuff off, where maybe the newborn is a little bit more difficult to get off stains.
Yeah.
I assume so. And then, oh, cute little onesie.
Awesome.
It's 3 to 6 months, which is good. Our baby, as my husband said, is preemie, so it probably took a little while for her to fit in this, but gender neutral, which is nice. That's cute. It has lions, some zoo animals on it. Should I take it out?
Yeah, show them. It is from Carter's?
No.
No? Who is
Oh,
it
wait.
from?
I'm sorry, you're right. It's from Carter's Simple Joy or line, I guess you could. Oh,
And as you can hear her.
our baby.
Yeah, that's
She's an
pretty
active
nice.
sleeper.
Short sleeves. Has little rhinos, turtles, lions.
Little bugs.
And this definitely could be a unisex if you have a boy or a girl. I mean, there's not really any colors, but even if it was, I mean, I would definitely throw this on our baby girls. Just animals. Can't go wrong with animals.
And then we have Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Lotion. And then, do you want to get the last one?
Yeah,
And I'll get
definitely. And then the last one we have here is Huggies Special Delivery. I'm not too familiar with the special delivery as of yet. It says it's the thickest wipe, free of fragrance, parabens, alcohol, and dyes. I'm guessing that's why it's special delivery, because it's more organic and it's just more better, more natural. We do have a couple of diapers that people bought us. There are 24 wipes in here. That's pretty good because you buy the one, there's 32. And if you want, you can bring her over. But yeah, so this is what's inside of the Amazon gift registry box. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like and subscribe. And if you see anything here, just feel free to comment. And yeah, thank you guys.
Yeah. My baby.